So I've created the a new file called todo.js, and we are going to come back to doing what we should do. So let's create a variable called logged in, and I'm going to set this to true. Okay, because I have let's set it to true for now, and then later when we learn about functions we're going to set it back to false. I just want to make sure we're able to uh, log in a user. Actually, you know what, let's set it to false, and we're going to log in a user. So let's create the user, and by default it's going to be empty. So let's just log to the console, logged in, and we could say logged in user, and we could pass in the user, and if I run this we get logged in user, and that is nothing, right? Just add a colon so we don't confuse it with the user variable. Yeah. So now what I want to do, I want to check if not logged in. So if we're not logged in, then what I want to do, I just want to reassign login and set it to true, and now say okay, I want to set. So now over here, set your name as the user that is logged in, because we're going to be associating this user with our to-do list, right? So just set yourself as the user that is logged in, and over here I'm just going to copy this, and outside of this if statement I'll just do this here. So the moment I run this code, now you can see initially it's set to false and no one is logged in, but after checking this condition, which turned out to be true because we're not logged in, it sets logged into true, and this is the logged in user. Alright, so that's what we've achieved in this lecture, setting up the boilerplate. And before we go on, let's look at arrays. See you in the next one.